Check this out. Look at that there. $41,300, and of course this amount was just $41,300. That was on December 13th, 2018. You know, even if you look here, you see that week, almost $6,000 for the week. See my wife here? See that smile? You know, I think this was one of our first $1,000 days, which was I think on the 12th, I believe. And we've done well over $1,000 since I woke up on autopilot, guys. I mean, just things, sales just coming in. And again, here's a funny thing. This 1450, and of course it's so early, this is definitely going to go higher than this. If you're looking for a way to get paid instant 100% commissions, you've landed on the right video, so pay close attention. My name is Steve, and this is my wife, Lanacia. We've been full-time online marketers since 2012, living here in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. Making a living marketing on the internet has been fun, and we've had a lot of success over the years, but it hasn't always been so easy. Why do I say that? Because first we had to learn the right types of strategies that produce the best results. The problem most people face today is that they don't know the right methods, tools to use, and offers to promote that can really help them to have huge success online. Lucky for you, I'm going to show you some information on this page that can help you to learn the right stuff needed to earn cash money every day online. I'm talking about getting paid 7 days a week, 365 days a year on autopilot. Let me share with you how we came across a business that allowed us to make over $17,000 cash in our first 30 days. You see, several months ago, I was searching around on the internet looking for something different to promote for a change. You know, something that could allow us to get paid instantly when a sale was generated instead of waiting days, weeks, or even months to get that commission. I finally came across a video talking about a program called $25 1-Up. The video explained that you can earn $25, $100, $250, and $500 commissions instantly when you sold one of their digital product packages. The digital products they offer are a library of training videos on how to make money online, plus a suite of online marketing tools that you can use to promote $25 1-Up or your existing business if you have one. It looked really interesting when we first saw it, so to make a long story short, we got started immediately. We wanted to develop an effective plan on launching the business online since it paid instant 100% commissions. We wanted to use a method that would generate a lot of curiosity about the program. So we decided to create a 3-minute promo video that we could use to post all over social media. You've seen that video. Remember, it looked just like this. I got 3 words for you. Instant 100% commissions. And if you like that, you're gonna love this. No monthly fees, pays daily straight into your bank account, and yes, we got paid today. We also created an automated marketing system that we could drive traffic to that did all the explaining for us. We even made that 3-minute video and marketing system available to all our personal referrals that got started at the platinum level or higher. So you want to know what happened next after I posted that 3-minute promo video on Facebook? We had hundreds of people asking for more information after seeing the post, and when we sent them the link to the marketing system we created, many of them were just signing up. We made over $1,200 in our first few days. We really got excited when we made $2,450 in one day using our system. Over the next 30 days, we would accumulate over $17,000 in instant 100% commissions. You see, the system we created is working like a charm. And it's not just us making money. We have many members on our team making money as well.
Now, I've never made money like this online. I've never made money like this, but I'm in the 10K club with the $25 1-Up program, guys.
And then just today alone, right, you can see right here, I've already made $425 today, right? And yesterday I made $425. And you could just see right here, been able to make over $5,000 with the $25 1-Up system.
We did $750 that day. We did $300 the previous day. So that's $1,050 within 48 hours, ladies and gentlemen.
Just today, $625, and we still got time left.
You see, we got James here, says this program works. Get back to the person who invited you and get started. with them. $825 earned in the last 7 days. Wow. Lisa, $100. What did she say here? Got this a few hours ago. $25 one up. As you can see, this has proven to be a very lucrative opportunity, and most importantly, it works. You can earn $25, $100, $250, and $500 instant payments. It pays daily. We have an automated system, no monthly fees. It's a global business, and yes, you get instant 100% commissions when you refer someone. Be sure to watch the compensation plan video below for complete details on how we get paid. If you're wondering, can you get results? I know you can, because we have extensive training and support, plus high converting sales funnels that can generate unlimited leads and sales on autopilot. If you're wondering about traffic, we've got that covered as well inside the back office of the system. We have some of the best resources on the internet to help you to drive traffic, build your brand, and most importantly, get results. All you got to do is get started and follow the steps simply laid out in the back office. But for now, take a look at all the information on this page. You'll get most of your questions answered right here. Then get started ASAP. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to watch all the other videos listed below. Enjoy the info, and we look forward to working with you.